Ever want to show love to your best friend or just do something with them? All you have to do is watch this video here on Ready Set Viral because we're going to give you some amazing BFF DIYs your friends will love. Number 1, personalized way to give a small gift. This one is absolutely amazing if you want to gift your best friend a bracelet or a necklace or anything small. First, get a rectangular piece of paper and fold it over like so and glue the ends. Then, fold it back into a rectangle and fold 2 small little rectangles on the top and on the bottom like so. When you're done that, unravel the folds and pay attention because this is going to be a little bit tedious. Unfold the 2 small folds you made and press inward while folding that in half as well. Then, once you're done that, write whatever you'd like on the front and glue the top, place whatever gift inside, and glue the bottom. That way, you'll have an amazing way to give a small gift to your BFF. Number 2, best friend keychain. This one is something you can do many times and it will never get old. First, get a pencil and cut it this close to the eraser. Sharpen the end that you've just cut off and get a needle with a circle and get your parent or guardian to cut off the sharp end. Place this in the eraser and use any paint or marker you'd like to draw a small face on the pencil. Then get a keychain loop and attach it to the eye pin and you'll have an amazing BFF keychain. Number 3, another personalized BFF keychain. This one is sort of different from the one we just told you about. First, get a puzzle you're no longer going to use anymore and some acrylic paint. Paint whatever color you'd like on some of the pieces, and once it's dry, use some permanent markers to write anything you'd like on it. We wrote besties. Then, using a hole puncher, punch one singular hole in the puzzle piece and use a keychain loop to attach it. You and your besties can have some amazing keychains. Number 4, BFF mugs. This one is so cute. First, get 2 white mugs and use some rubbing alcohol to clean it off. Using a pencil first, do an outline of this. On one cup, draw a cup that says better, and on the other, draw a cookie that says together. Once you're done, bake it in the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Make sure you're using permanent marker, and once you're done, you'll have some amazing BFF mugs. Number 5, adorable friendship gift. For this one, you're going to need an empty matchbox. First, cut to size a small piece of paper on each side of the matchbox and glue it. Then, on the outer part of the matchbox, write "You are my" in permanent marker, and on the inside, write "bestie." Put the matchbox together again and give it to your bestie so that they have a little way to remember you, especially when you're not with each other. Number 6, bestie keychain or necklace. This can either be used for a keychain or a necklace. First, grab some modeling clay, the color yellow, and roll it out and cut out a circle. Then use some permanent marker to draw 2 hard eyes and a smile, and cut this in half directly and use a toothpick to poke a hole in each side. Bake the modeling clay in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes, and once it's out, you can either put your necklace through it or you can put some keychain rings around it. You and your bestie will each have a half. Anyways guys, that's all we have for you today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!